Welcome back to Guide My Work. In the last few videos, we've shown you how to set up a plant and a work cell. In this video, we'll be creating a new station and walking you through getting an operator station activated on the production floor. As always, please remember, the addition, editing, or removal of any item should not be done during active production hours. These actions can affect the line status and cause downtime if done during production. Within each work cell, users can create stations by either selecting the Add a Station button on the work cell setup page or from the Station Setup menu option. This page will display any current stations and applicable information. From this page, users can add, edit, or delete stations. To add a new station, first select the applicable work cell from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Users can also select All to view all current stations. Then select the green plus icon on the right side of the screen, and the Add Station pop-up will appear. At this point, users will be prompted to enter in the following information: work cell, which is selected from the drop-down menu of currently active work cells, station name, and this should be unique, and station order, which is where the station will be within the work cell process. For example, Station 1 would be Station Order 10, Station 2 would be 20, and so on. Generally, station order defaults by tens to allow for users to add in new stations between existing stations without having to reorder all of them. So if a new station needs to be added between stations 1 and 2, you could assign it a station order of 15. Stations are active by default. To deactivate a station, simply uncheck the box. When a station is active, you will be billed for each day. If you do not plan on utilizing the station right away, you can deactivate it until it is needed. You will be able to modify the station and add instructions while it's inactive. Once a station has been created, the following actions can be taken as needed. You can edit the station details, which will bring up the same pop-up as the Add Station option and allow you to make changes to any field. You can delete a station. Keep in mind, this will also delete any instructions associated to the station. If needed, you can deactivate a station, and this will maintain the station instructions and details without resulting in any charges being billed to you. As you add stations to the work cell, you'll notice below that a station flow is shown. This will show you each station within the work cell as well as their active status. The final step you'll need to take is to download the station setup file on the device you plan to utilize for that Guide My Work station. This can be a PC, tablet, or any handheld device, as long as it is web-enabled and has access to a strong internet connection. Remember, a station can only be registered to one device. Select the Generate Access code, and once the Guide My Work browser is loaded onto the operator screen, enter in the code to register that station to that device. For more detailed instructions on how to complete this step, check out our video on how to set up a Guide My Work station browser. And be sure to watch our next video, How to Set Up Parts, to continue setting up Guide My Work.